Hi, Mike. Yeah, taking a look at it, it actually makes sense. The reason being is your index page, you've added this right here. Let's take a look at this in Firebug. I want to see if you can follow along and understand what's happened. We have the custom component, right? There it is right there. See you have a position of relative right here. It should be a position of absolute, not relative. And that's the reason you have the problems. So my solution of fixing the header, which is where the heck did that go? Anyways, I'll dig into that in a second. Anyways, my solution of the header margin was just to get things to align in here, but your other pages don't have this. Your other pages don't have the request to quote. So, of course, the margin that we've removed is required in the other pages. So there's a bunch of different options. I mean, there's, like I said, always 10 different ways of doing things, right? So what I'm going to get you to do then is just put the, where's the menu here? Let me go find the menu. See the header class of large? See you have a margin top of 15? Put that back to 40 px, just the way it was. Then it'll go back down here, okay? I want you to take this style, header large, like that, and on your index page only, or any pages using that get a custom quote button, okay? What you can do then is in the header of your page, put a specific style for that header top. In other words, let's go to your view source here, okay? And in this page, you have editable regions up here, right? You can add, and here's an example of a style tag right here. So I want you to take this style tag right here, okay? I want you to copy it, and this is your index page only. Copy it and put it into any editable region. So let's put it into right underneath where it says instance name editable, put it in layouts. I want you to put it right in here. Okay, so copy this quotator component style and put it right here in layouts. Actually, I'll show you in Dreamweaver. Actually, I'm just going to send the inline style. So I want you to go back to your styles.css, line 586, changes -15 back to 40 px. So that'll address every other page in your site. In your index page only, or wherever you have this right here, I want you to put, I'm going to copy this into the ticket, you copy and paste it right in there into the layouts section, and that'll change that margin, right, to a -15 for any pages using that get quota. It's only because on the index page, this here is actually pushing this bar around, right? So if I refresh, obviously it's not going to do that because you still have the -15. So by adding a margin of -15 to the menu bar, it's going to pull it up higher, right, to align with the item that's pushing it down, which is this right here. Position relative takes it out of the viewport or out of the alignment. Position of relative keeps it in line with everything and will actually affect the components and the different things around it. That's why you want to use position of absolute if you want to have it go in line with other things and not affect the other things. If you use position of relative, it will push things that are close by it out of alignment, basically.